Hi besties, long time no hear. Guess where we're going today? So we're going to downtown. So from our house, I'm going to take this train to Union Station. So no hassle, diba? Stress free. All you do is just sit down and relax.
So we're here in Toronto with my daughter.
Dito, marami ka ring makikita ng mga ibang convenient ways para you can get around. Alam nyo ba na once a year, o siguro maybe twice a year lang ako nakakarating dito? But today is a special day kasi gusto ng anak ko na i-meet namin yung mom ng friend niya. So pinag-meet kami kasi follower ko siya doon sa aking mga social media accounts. I really had a good time meeting up with these wonderful people. So these are the food that we ordered. One of my favorite pastas, so ang truffle pasta. Then we also ordered this margarita pizza. Then they also ordered theirs. And for our dessert, the cannoli and the tiramisu. It's not a disappointment, and with all the chikas, syempre, nag-enjoy kami. Now, since malayo ang pabalik sa Union Station, so naglakad-lakad, nakita namin ang CN Tower, at heto na, syempre, pauwi na ako. Pero alam nyo ba, pag pauwi kayo, syempre, may sundo ako. Heto na!